Hello everyone. Today I'm here to talk you to about the data link layer of computer system. The data link layer is a crucial component for networking stack responsible for managing data transmission over the network. The data link layer provides a variety of services that enable reliable and efficient communication between devices. These services include framing, physical addressing, flow control, error control, and access control. By the end of this presentation, you should have a clear understanding of the various services offered by Data Link Layer. Firstly, framing. Framing is the process of dividing data into smaller frames that can be transmitted over the network. This allows for more efficient data transfer as smaller frames are easier to manage and can be transmitted more quickly. Secondly, physical addressing. Physical addressing involves assigning unique address to device on the network. This ensures that data is sent to the correct destination and prevents data from being sent to unintended device. Thirdly, flow control. Flow control is a mechanism that regulates the flow of data between devices. It prevents data loss or corruption due to devices being overwhelmed with too much data to process. Fourthly, error control. Error control ensures the integrity of data by detecting and correcting error that may occur during transmission. Lastly, the access control. Access control is the mechanism that regulates access to the network, ensuring that only authorized devices can access it. This prevents unauthorized access and helps to maintain network security. So, this is all about the concept of framing in the context of computer network and how it is similar to the way of our postal system works. At the data link layer, the process of framing involves packing bits into frames so that each frame is distinguishable from each other. This is necessary to ensure that data can be transmitted over the network reliably and efficiently. By dividing data into smaller frames, it becomes easier to manage and error can be detected or corrected more efficiently. Our postal system also practices a type of framing. When we send a letter, we enclose it in an envelope. This simple act of inserting the letter into an envelope separates one piece of information from another. And envelope serves as a delimiter. This way, the letter can be transported safely to its destination without getting lost or damaged. In computer network, the frames serve a similar purpose to envelope in the postal system. They provide a way to transport data safely over the network, ensuring that it reaches an destination without getting lost or corrupted. Last, framing is just one of the many services provided by the data link layer, but it is a crucial one. Without it, data transmission over the network would be much less efficient and reliable. This is all about framing. Next is physical addressing. This page is all about the importance of physical addressing in computer networking. Physical addressing is a critical services provided by the data link layer and it plays a vital role in ensuring that data is transmitted over the network accurately and efficiently. In computer system, the data is transmitted in the form of frame. A is encapsulated with both header and tailor for information, which contains important detail of the data being transmitted. In the header, the source and destination MAC address are dealt with. The MAC address is a unique identifier assigned to each device connected to the network. It serves as a way of differentiate one device from another and helps ensure the data is sent to the intended reception. The source MAC address identifies the device that is transmitting the data, while the destination MAC address identifies the device that the data is being sent to. Physical addressing is a crucial because it allows data to be sent over the network accurately and efficiently. By including the source and destination MAC address in the frame header, the data link layer can ensure the data is sent to the correct device and that is received by the device in its entirety. Without what is the importance of physical addressing? Without physical addressing, data transmission over the network would be much less efficient and reliable. Data packets could get lost or sent to the wrong device, leading to errors and delay. Next is flow control. It's about flow control in computer system. Flow control is a critical service provided by the data link layer and it plays a vital role in ensuring the data is transmitted over the network accurately or efficiently. Flow control is one of the duties of data link control sublayer, which is responsible for managing the transmission of data over the network. The flow control mechanism in the data link layer is end-to-end flow control mechanism, which means that it coordinates the amount of data that can be sent before receiving an acknowledgement. The speed matching mechanism is an essential part of flow control. It ensures that the sending device is not transmitting data faster than the receiving device can handle. This helps prevent data loss or corruption due to devices being overwhelmed with too much data to process. The flow control mechanism is the data link layer is crucial because it helps to prevent network congestion and ensures that data is transmitted efficiently. By according the amount of data that can be sent before receiving an acknowledgement, the data link layer can ensure the data is transmitted at the pace that the receiving device can handle. This is about access control in network computer network. Access control is a critical services provided by the data link layer and it plays a vital role in managing access to shared communication channel by multiple devices on the network. Access control in the data link layer, is the process of managing access to a shared communication channel by multiple devices on the network. It ensures that each device on the network has a fair chance to transmit data without interfering with other device or transmission. Next is error control. Error control is another important services provided by the data link layer of computer network. Its primary purpose is to ensure the integrity of data during transmission by detecting and correcting error that may occur. This is all about my understanding of data link layer. And the conclusion for all is effective communication between devices on a network is the foundation of modern computer networking. And understanding the role of data link layer is critical to achieving this goal. Thank you so much for watching.